पीएनएल शो नहीं हो रहा आज, क्योंकि अभी तक ट्रेड ही प्लान नहीं हुआ है, तो पीएनएल कैसे शो होगा? ट्वेंटी से 30 गए, 30 से वापस से 20 आ गए। एंड फ्रॉम नाउ जो एनालिसिस होगा, विल डू दैट एनालिसिस ऑन ट्रेडिंग व्यू चार्ट। उसके बाद ऑर्डर्स में फ़ोन से ही इधर से ऐसा पंच करने वाला हूँ फ्रॉम MT5, क्योंकि बार बार पीएनएल देखने से इमोशंस आर गेटिंग ट्रैप्ड, इमोशंस आर नॉट इन कंट्रोल बाय सीइंग दैट पीएनएल अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन। सो आई एम ट्राइंग नॉट टू सी, बट ऑर्डर्स विल बी पंच्ड। एंट्री के बाद मैं आपको दिखा दूंगा इधर पे कि ऑर्डर इज पंच्ड। so you guys don't have to worry about it. By the way, if you're new in the stream, like the stream, subscribe to the channel. By the way, here a trade is planned here. My entry हो चुका है from another account. This is my real account from where I have a bit bigger funds. तो उससे तो मेरी entry हो चुकी है. You guys can see, and the PN is also running. Hey bro, where you have been? I'm here only, dude. कल मैं थोड़ा सा busy हो गया था और I wanted to trade alone yesterday. बल्कि इधर पे एक buy entry लगी हुई है हमारी. We have taken a buy side entry here at this point, and our stop loss is here, and we are aiming for this resistance around 116 pips. You can see my entry is done. Entry line, if you can see, entry okay, and trade is open. So what I decided is whatever is there, I'll just analyze on this trading view chart, and entries I'll take from the MT5 from the phone, और इधर पे entry होगी तो XNS में मैं दिखा दूंगा अपने, because possible re-enter अभी तो नहीं, because what's happening is when we are punching the order right from the XNS web terminal, उसमें इतने ज़्यादा फ्लक्चुएशंस हो रहे हैं और द PNL is fluctuating so much that emotions कंट्रोल में नहीं रह पा रहे हैं, because of which we are spoiling our trades. So it's better not to see the PNL when we are on the trade. So इधर से एंट्री प्लेस कर देंगे, एंट्री प्लेस करके इधर पे चार्ट देखते हैं, जो भी है ट्रेड I'll just show in middle कि what's happening in the trade. So we'll plan like that. So my XNS is open here. This I've taken from my real account, जो मेरे पास और एक अकाउंट है उसमें से, in which we are around 20 pips up, और इसमें 100 pips का DP है इधर तक, ये जोन तक. अरे भाई क्या हो गया ये भाई डिस्टर्ब. Currently I'm up 30 pips in this trade. My exact entry is at this level I guess. हाँ इधर पे ही एंट्री 33 pips up हूँ मैं. Aim is 100 pips. व्हाट्स हैपनिंग विद द चैलेंज? इट्स ऑन ब्रो, इट्स ऑन। मैं कल एक ट्रेड लिया था इन बिटकॉइन। उसमें फर्स्ट ट्रेड अपने ऐसे हिट हुआ, सेकेंड ट्रेड इट वेंट अबाउट 30 पिप्स। 30 पिप्स गया था, बट उसमें मेरे को और आई नीडेड मोर 20 पिप्स, बट देन इट रिवर्स्ड और एक ब्रेक इवन पर हिट हो गया। सो वी आर अगेन डाउन टू 20। वी आर अगेन डाउन टू 20। तो इसमें फिर से मैंने ये लिया। व्हाट आई डू इज आई जस्ट मॉडिफाई दिस थिंग। अपना जो लॉट साइज का चार्ट ये है ना, इसको थोड़ा सा ये करना पड़ता है मॉडिफिकेशन। वी हैव टू इंक्रीज अवर स्टॉप लॉस टू 15 पिप्स, क्योंकि 10 पिप्स का जो स्टॉप लॉस है ना, इट्स बिकमिंग रियली वेरी मच स्मॉल। बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा पड़ जा रहा है ये 10 पिप्स का स्टॉप लॉस। दिस 10 पिप्स इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल। सो वी हैव टू प्ले अराउंड विद दिस लॉट साइजेस। लॉट साइज के साथ प्ले अराउंड करके ये 10 पिप्स का स्टॉप लॉस को हमें 15 पिप्स को करना पड़ता है, और ये 35 पिप्स का टीपी को वी हैव टू इंक्रीज इट टू मे बी अराउंड 50 पिप्स, समथिंग लाइक दैट। द चैलेंज इज ऑन, विल सी क्या करना है। अरे भाई, इसमें ट्रेड दिखाते ही रिवर्स तो नहीं हो जा रहा है ये। आई जस्ट टेल द स्टॉप लॉस टू कॉस्ट। नहीं भाई, गुड। क्या पनौती है भाई। दिखाते ही मैं जस्ट ट्रेड गॉट क्लोज कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट। आई वाज अप अराउंड 40 पिप्स। कितने पिप्स गया था ये ट्रेड? 38 पिप्स गया था। ट्रेड इट क्लोज कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट। ओ भाई, क्या डंप आया। गुड ट्रेड। बिटकॉइन में देखते क्या हो रहा है। सबसे पहले सारे लेवल्स को डिलीट करते हैं। शो दिस। And the another problem is this bloody nonsense college, which will get over in 2 days। और 2 दिन मुझे कॉलेज जाने पड़ेगा, बिकॉज ऑफ विच इस पर मैं कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पा रहा था। और 2 दिन मेरे को कॉलेज जाना पड़ेगा। देन आई विल बी फ्री फॉर नेक्स्ट 3 to 4 months। then I can fully 100% concentrate on this trading. Seriously, college is very much hectic. What's happened with the internet, man? By the way, whoever is new to the stream, like the stream, subscribe to the channel. Huh. Exact tier levels reverse हुआ है। By the way, this is the new addition। This is the indicator which I have coded। ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या होता है, it marks exact support and resistance level। okay, so like for example this is the resistance, market exact वही level से crash हो गया। so here you can see that support है exact, market will come in this zone and it will go up। so what we'll do is 15 minutes पर we have marked this level, right? हम देन विल मूव टू दी 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम। वो लेवल सबसे पहले हम 15 मिनट्स का लेवल ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं इधर पे। लेट्स शो यू हाउ इट वर्क्स। सो आई एम स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन इट। थोड़े बहुत बग्स है इसमें, तो मैं और भी इसे बेटर करने का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ। सो यस, विल मार्क दिस लेवल। we will go to the 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, and then we'll mark a minor zone here at this level। so here inside this 1 minute time frame there will be a zone बता देता है, so maybe this will be a good zone here। this is a good zone here। तो अब क्या हो रहा है, 15 मिनट और 1 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम के जो जोन्स है, दे हैव कम इनटू वन प्लेस, राइट? ये लेवल और ये लेवल। सो एट दिस टाइम व्हाट विल डू, इसको हम डिलीट कर देंगे। नाउ विल प्लान अवर ट्रेड। अभी दिस ईयर विल वेट फॉर द मार्केट टू कम डाउन। इधर पे ये जोन पर एक लिक्विडिटी ग्राफ बनाने, तो देन अ बाई साइड ट्रेड, बिकॉज दिस विल गिव अ इंडिकेशन ऑफ बाई साइड। So this is a very much accurate this thing. What is this called? Indicator. And maybe you'll not find this in the trading view because this is my personal indicator जो मैंने code किया है by using AI. Mhm. I was expecting this trade would go around 100 pips. तो इधर पे मेरे आराम से $100 बन जाते. I was up around $40 in this trade. बिटकॉइन बिटकॉइन क्या कर रहा? Does anybody have problem in a stream whole day? Because maybe from next week onwards I'll be streaming whole day from 11 a.m. पूरा दिन बैठ के मैं स्ट्रीम ही करने वाला हूँ. The stream will be around 3 to 4 hours per stream, एक stream. क्योंकि तब मेरे को कुछ काम में रहेगा इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्रेडिंग. Yeah, I was genuine. If I show you, I had taken this entry from 0.1 lot. एक सेकंड मेरे को डायरेक्टली इसका स्क्रीन पर जाने दो. Exit 0.1 lots entry लिया था मैंने. So I was up around $40 in this trade. I was $40 up in this stream. I was aiming for $100, but पनौती लग गया. इसमें we just closed in $1. 0.1 से entry ली थी, if you can see gold. और इसे भी थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई करना पड़ता बिकॉज 10 pips stop loss I feel it's genuinely very much small. At least 15 pips in gold, at least 15 pips we need. Okay, I'll do something for it. From next week onwards I don't have anything, no college, nothing, so I'll be fully free. इधर पे एक stop loss लग गया था, collect rate गया था. In that I was up around again 30 pips. I'll just show you yesterday's trade. इसमें फिर से मैं around 30 pips up था, but I was aiming for 60 pips. फिर से पनौती लग गया. This was yesterday's trade which I took. एक stop loss गया था पहले. This is another trade I took. I was up around 60 pips, 30 pips in this trade, 30 to 40 pips. I was aiming for this high. This high which was around 60 pips maybe. But again it got reversed, then I had to close it cost to cost. But no problems, no problems. इधर पे एक support level बन जाता. So now wait, let this give an indication of support being formed. Then we'll go for a buy side trade, aiming for this high. And for sure, next week onwards I'll do very much long streams, 3 hours, 4 hours stream. Even I suggest you guys, whenever you take trade, watch the chart and take. Don't always look at the PNL because it spoils your emotion. So that's why I have decided. जो भी होगा entry exit I'll do in this chart. नीचे phone से मैं in my MT5 I'll be taking my entry exit, my stop loss and all. In middle, I'll show you in my XNS how much quantity, where is my entry, where is my stop loss. Again, I'll shift back to this chart only so that the PNL does not manipulate my mind and I am able to hold the trades more and more. Okay. XNS में entry लेने टाइम में वो candles इतने quick move होते हैं and the main thing is we mark the levels right in XNS. For example, this is the level which I have marked. This is the entry point. Okay, in MT5 the levels are not seen, so if the like the move इतना भी हो गया ना candle, इधर भी हम entry कर सकते हैं, we don't come to know, we go enter very much freely. But in XNS the levels are marked right, so I try to enter on the exact point at this point, because of which price does not come at that point, we miss trades. So इसीलिए it's better we do this, or we'll take the help of this indicator also, because XNS में आप अपना indicator add नहीं कर सकते. ओके सो इधर का एक बाई साइड का इंडिकेशन तो आया है. विल शिफ्ट टू 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम. विल टेक दिस ट्रेड इन आवर रियल अकाउंट. मार्क दिस लेवल, शिफ्ट टू 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम. व्हाट द हेल इज रॉन्ग विद दिस इंटरनेट मैन. Don't want to see gold, I want to see Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin 1 minute time frame. Okay, so this is the level right. वो डिलीट करते हैं अभी. 15 minute time frame. सही है, सब सही है. So according to this, now what we have to do is, दिस इज अ ट्रेड प्लान. नीचे आने देंगे, जब ये रिवर्स करेगा फिर से एक बाई साइड ट्रेड उठा लेंगे इधर पे. ठीक है, बाई साइड का एंट्री प्लान करते हैं. In this orange zone is a resistance, blue zone is a support. तो I use ChatGPT, I use many AI tools, और सब मिला के I was just coding and sitting, and from these many days I was busy back of this indicator. This helps me to actually mark very much accurate levels, you know. And I'm also from a computer science background, so it was not that much tough. छुपा लेते हैं. This is our secret weapon. Okay guys, so क्या चल रहा है? What are you guys doing now? Like how I am a student now. What are you guys doing? Business or a student like me? गोल्ड का ये निकाल देते हैं. I hope Bitcoin respects this level, or else then you have to wait for this level. I'm waiting for this support level to be tested. Then we can see a good buy side trade. By the way, like the stream, guys. Like the stream, like the stream. Now I'm gonna be super consistent. This is the plan. What is wrong with this? इंटरनेट तो सब सही है. Is there any glitch in this nonsense trading view? Show me Bitcoin, man. Show me 1 minute time frame. Do you trade on weekend? Yeah. I used to not trade, but now I'm trading on weekend also. So let's trade all 7 days. Uh, I'll just start the stream at 11, 11 to 3. Then after that, 6:30 to 9:30. We'll trade as much as possible setups. Even on weekends, we'll trade. We'll trade all the time now. Because I'm in the final year now, because of which I have to maintain this nonsense attendance also in the college. But now there are only 2 working days left. Then I'll be free. The another problem is my college is around 15-16 kilometers far. Best of luck for your college. I have no plans for any college. I just hate going to college. I don't know why. I feel very much disturbed in my college whenever I go there. I get hell lots of peace and comfort when I sit in front of these charts. But I'm free now. What's the 29th is my last working day? December, Jan, Feb. Yes, this December, Jan, and Feb, these 3 months I'm fully free. I have no college and all, so I'll be trading all the time. What do you guys do, by the way, when you're not trading? Even you guys are students, or you guys go and work somewhere? What do you guys do? Gold भैया, gold भैया. Hmm. 5 minute time frame. Leverage this one. Okay. Again, let's try here. Let gold come up. This thing, then we'll aim for this low. I'm currently okay. Currently jobless. No mindset of career change. What's your age, by the way, and where are you from? 5 people are watching. Like the stream, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let's push harder now. एक move तो चाहिए. We need this one move. Gold, or else the next buying area is at this level or this level. Trading is not working or what properly? This level is now invalid. The main level is now. We have a good buying level here. 5 minutes. Yes. At this level, a setup will also be formed of a sell side trade, of a buy side trade, a liquidity graph from here. It will also tap the 15-minute and 5-minute level from where the buyers are gonna push plus the liquidity, so it gives us more confirmation that trades are gonna go in our direction. Yeah, there is a change of character also. It has broken its previous high to 1 minute time frame. By the way, I had sent a message on Telegram, Ishak. Did you see that? Yes. Can give a rejection from here. This candle. Uh, 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 uh. Okay, guys. Can go for a sell side trade. We can try for a sell side trade because selling level is tapped. Let's see the rejection from here. If it crosses this level now, this level, you can go for a sell side trade. It's possible. But we have to see the rejection because then the TP which we'll get is huge. The TP which we'll get next is around 160 pips TP if it crosses this level. इसकी तो एक क्या हो रहा है भाई? Nonsense. Give me 1 minute time frame. Okay, guys. Keep a 15 pip stop loss here. If it crosses this properly, then only we can go for a sell side trade. Again, then we have to wait for this level next. ये कैंडल कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लोज होते हैं? Candle has closed really strong, man. My real account, मेरा test. Real account, bold. Here, let avoid this first entry. When it takes a pullback again, comes at this level, right? Then we can go for a sell side trade. If this scenario happen, this is the perfect scenario from where gold can dump. because here already gold has traveled so much now. If we enter here at this point and take a pullback, remove us, then fall. If this happens, then only we can go for a sell side trade, or else we have to wait. 15-minute time frame, no other level. This is the next level here. 1 minute time frame का और level है. This is a good level. Support resistance, support resistance. It's crossing. थोड़ा सा वेट करो. तो क्रॉसिंग तो हो गई है. या 1 सेकेंड वेट. नीचे से रिजेक्शन ले रहा है. अरे भाई, दिस नॉनसेंस शिट हियर. We are not able to enter because of this nonsense here. It's not giving us enough leverage. If I want to take, it needs $83 now. क्या नाटक है भैया कि 831. I'm not in this trade, okay? Because of the leverage thing, I'm not able to enter. I'm not on this trade. I'm telling before only. रिजेक्शन तो आ रहा है. प्लस ठीक है. टॉप प्लस भी ठीक है. Okay. Regretting so much, right? 53. Keep 15 pips stop loss. Wherever you have entered, keep 15 pips of stop loss from there. Wherever you have kept 15 pips of stop loss. Okay. This is the entry. Re-entry का भी time मिला. Getting frustrated like hell, guys. Seriously. You know, do one thing. इधर से एक rejection आने वाला है. Okay. So watch out. This is a 5-minute buying level here. इधर से एक upside movement आ सकता है. Manage your trades properly. And see rejection is coming. That's not that strong. Still not entered. You have not entered. Good. नीचे से एक बाइंग लेवल है. अच्छा वाइंडर लेवल. Thank you Allah for saving me. This seriously, this indicator is very much accurate. accurate like hell, क्या बोलूं. ऊपर से resistance touch करा, you can see a downside move. नीचे से support touch करा, you can see upside move. Remove this, see, just touch this support level, upside. If touch this resistance, downside move. Till 8:31 we cannot take any trade. Enter or wait. If you guys are on, you can enter if you want. Sorry. Wait, एक second देखने दो. You could have entered here. I could not enter because of the leverage thing. इधर पे थी आपकी entry. 15 pips stop loss about this. इधर तक भी आएगा ना, we get easy 67 pips. Here would be your entry. क्या पनौती है भाई. अच्छा ट्रेड मिलता तब लेवरेज नहीं मिलता, तब लेवरेज मिलता तब अच्छा ट्रेड नहीं मिलता. Repeating. How many pips? 42 pips. 42 pips. 42 pips. I have one more problem this with this particular setup, that is हमारी entry होती है, okay, fine. The only problem which I'm facing is we enter, okay, price goes in our favor. It takes a pullback to remove this people, then it again starts going into our favor. So इसका कुछ करना होगा. For this, what we have to do, I have to figure it out. For this manipulative move. बिटकॉइन में कुछ है क्या, बिटकॉइन में कुछ है क्या, बिटकॉइन में, अरे भाई बिटकॉइन में बाइंग ट्रेड. क्लोजिंग इसके नीचे होना. Trade is still on. This is one manipulative move which is always troubling us. Coin exact 4 say it's going upside. Just one candle should be closed now. One candle should have closed below this level, then you could enter. And buy side. Yeah. What's the problem with this trading, man? Are you guys also are facing the same problem in this trading view? Or it's only me? मेरा ही प्रॉब्लम है क्या? I'll do one thing. अगर इधर पे कैंडल क्लोज करना था भाई. No problems will wait at this level. Bitcoin. गोल्ड को आना ही है. I feel it can come. This is seriously not at all easy, guys. Bitcoin again it has come to our level. भाई क्यों परेशान कर रहा है भाई 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 मॉनिटर टाइम फ्रेम कम मैन 3 minutes. Yeah, I'm thinking, is this problem with my only trading view or it's with everyone? What happened to gold? Gold in the trade. Gold is just moving so crazily, bro. Where was the entry point? Here, right? It's for on 87 pips. Crazy. This was the bad luck thing. This nonsense. Period of high margin requirement. बिटकॉइन में गिर रहा बिटकॉइन किधर से पकड़ सकते हैं लेट्स फिल्टर आउट द लेवल्स दिस इज वन लेवल दिस इज द लेवल राइट 10 minute time frame hmm 1 second guys just 1 second guys listen good trade opportunity in bitcoin if this reverses from here ना अगर ऐसा रिवर्स होके इसके ऊपर जाता है ना can go for a buy side trade here hmm. It's broken a trend line can plan a buy side trade here top loss is going to stay in the spit TP एकदम 80 pips let this give a pullback here. I know mostly it will give a pullback. TP is 80 pips, bro. 80 pips of TP. TP is directly here at this point in this 15-minute selling level. Here is the TP. Yeah, I've entered well and good. I entered. Where was your entry? Where was your entry? I hope so. It's not somewhere here up. It's somewhere here only. If you enter, keep your stop loss somewhere around here. 86,850. If you have entered, keep your stop loss there. I have entered from my 8700. Which chart are you using, bro? Use Coinbase chart. Bitcoin one Coinbase chart, so that mine and your charts will be different. In different this thing, there is different what's that called, prices. Like Oanda has different prices, forex.com has different prices. Use Coinbase is the most accurate. You have entered, keep your stop loss here. Hi, which broker are you using? Use XNS. There is only 1.8 pips. Avatrain, what is that? I have never heard about that broker. Use XNS. If you're not a resident of India, if you're a resident of some other country, you can use XNS. XNS is really good. Yeah, use XNS. Even I am using XNS only, because in XNS the spread is 1.8, 1.10, yeah, 1.8 pips. इसके पास वापस एक आ जाए. Add more quantity here. मेरा re-entry level 15 minutes का buying area तो है नीचे से. There is a good push from down. These small levels to irritate, that's it. ये कितना पिप गया? It went around 16 pips into our favor. Exit or hold? Hold till your stop loss, bro. This is your stop loss, right? Hold until your stop loss is hit. Hold it. Stop loss गया तो गया, क्या है उसमें? See, again it went to your favor. Hold it, because the TP is 80 pips. जब तक 80 pips का TP, wait, see, listen, mark this level. ये तो invalid है. Yeah, 80 pips, 83 pips का TP है. स्टॉप लॉस इसके नीचे लगा के छोड़ो. 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम. Yes, our stop loss is in right place, करेक्ट प्लेस के नीचे, इसके नीचे अपना स्टॉप लॉस. सो यस, होल्ड करो. गया तो स्टॉप लॉस 10 पिप्स ही जाएगा. गोस, चिल करो. एंट्री डन राइट. सी नाउ, ट्रेड विल गो इन आवर फेवर फॉर श्योर. बस 1 मिनट के थोड़े बहुत लेवल्स हैं विच इज गिविंग अ स्मॉल पुल बैक्स. लाइक दिस इट विल जस्ट गो. गया तो भी क्या, 10 पिप्स ही जाएगा इफ इट गोस फ्रॉम देयर. Hold guys, hold this trade. This trade can go huge also. It can give you more also. TP और SL, दो में से कोई एक. Again upside movement. You're still in the trade, right? देखो. Still in, good. What's the quantity, by the way? I have also taken it from my another account, around 20 pips up from our entry point. I have 0.05, good. Stop loss, keep the stop loss, man. I never thought that I will use any, what is this called, indicators in my whole life. I used to hate indicators, but this indicator, I saw a person using it, then I just broke the entire concept behind how this indicator works. Then I use many AI tools, then my own mind. Then I have used this because from the person who is using this indicator now, he is charging $100 for 1 year. So I thought, why to give him $100 instead of that trail SL or wait, wait, brother, wait. Either say no, I'll show you a magic. From here, it will again go up from this point. अरे भाई चार्ज trail your SL to 5 pips wherever your stop loss is. From there, trail your stop loss to 5 pips. For example, this is 10 pips, right? Trail it to 5 pips. This is your stop loss now. Now, at this point, am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Hello. Yes, I'm audible. Okay, so these levels which were troubling us, now this level will act like a support zone which will push our trade. होल्ड करो, 5 का स्टॉप लॉस है ना, छोटू सा. Gold also went how many freaking pips? Oh bhai, 146 pips from our entry level. Whoever are in the trade, hold your positions. Rejection तो आ रहा है, and see from this point only again taking rejection. इधर तक 20 how much 25 pips, 25 पिप गया है. हम्म, बैड लक ट्रेड क्या कर सकते हैं. Isn't even there in the stream. Very much bad luck trade, right? आया, जस्ट स्टॉप लॉस ट्रिगर किया, took support and then upside movement. This was the level. माज अहमद भाई कितने तक पहुंचे? Right now we are at break even, back to 20. एक losing streak लगी थी because of which we came back again to 20. Had taken this another trade but इसमें it went around 30 pips but वापस से cost to cost निकलना पड़ा. SL hit किया, then again it's went going in our profit area. बीच में बहुत अच्छे ट्रेड कर रहे थे, then a losing streak because of which we lost our capital. Again back to 20. तो 20 से वापस से ग्रो करना पड़ेगा.